So you may have just picked up your Vision Pro headset and you might be trying to figure out exactly how you can turn this headset completely off. Now, doing this is very basic. It's going to be hard to demonstrate this because I don't have it. I can't show you the screen while I'm on it, but it's pretty basic. The first thing you want to do is you want to put your headset basically on your head. So place it on your head. You can, tighten the strap if you need to. But what you're going to want to do is hold down the two buttons that are on the top of your headset. So once your headset is on your face, you can hold down the digital crown and this left side button at the exact same time. Now when you do that, what's going to happen is you're going to see on your screen, you're going to have to hold it down for a couple seconds. You're going to hold it down past the 4 squid screen. So a little 4 squid screen is going to come up. You're going to want to continue to hold these buttons down while you're doing that. And then after you do that for a little bit, and then it's going to show you a little slide to power off button. So when you're done holding it, when you see that, you can just let go of these buttons, and then you can look at your, with your eyes, you can pinch your fingers and just slide that to unlock. And that's essentially all you're going to have to do. So it really is that basic. Hold down these buttons, slide to power off, and that's really all you're going to have to do there. Now, if you want to, you can also just unplug this thing. So if you want to, you can just unplug this particular headset from the battery and just let the headset die out by itself. That's another option you have. I probably wouldn't recommend doing that though. You don't want to lose data or anything. You can also just probably hold down these buttons until your headset completely powers off. And to power back on, you just want to hold down this particular side button right here. And then you can power on or off your particular headset going down by just holding down this button right here too. So that's basically how it's done. It's a super basic process. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.